thunderstorm warning for southeastern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, central Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Paddock Lake, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Sturtevant, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Camp Lake, Silver Lake, Salem, Bristol, Elmwood Park, Kansasville, and Franksville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Milwaukee, Sullivan.